I think the Cardinal was trying to respond to the needs that he saw around this part of London, particularly with regard to youngsters who had lost their way. The important thing about the Cardinal Hume Centre, first of all, is its presence. There's somewhere for people to go. Then, once they're there, it's the quality of what happens inside. And it's not just the professional quality, but it's the spirit, the ethos in which that service is delivered, inspired by Cardinal Hume, by his profound sense of Christian service. Well, the breadth of services offered by the Cardinal Hume Centre are clearly quite important today, because this part of London, there are great contrasts here. On the one hand, there's the Victoria Street with all its shiny offices, and on the other hand, there's this side of things in Pimlico, where there are very poor families, there are immigrant families, there are families under great pressure. And it's helpful indeed that the Cardinal Hume Centre, as it were, responds to the need that is around it and offers help with two immigrants, two families under stress. And that, as it were, helps it as a charity to grow local roots. And I think that's increasingly important today, that the relationship between any charity and its neighbourhood is going to be more and more important, because it needs that support, it needs the support of the neighbourhood, and it needs, in that sense, to be cherished by everybody in the neighbourhood. I think at this time, the aspiration probably for most charities is not just to survive, but to prosper in a very difficult environment. So, those who are in the management role in the Cardinal Hume Centre do have a big challenge at the moment to make sure that these services that we offer, and we offer them with great efficiency as well as great generosity, survive and then prosper. Cardinal Hume would be very pleased with what is going on as he perches up above and watches what's going on down here. And he was a great one for information and gossip. He wanted to know what was going on. I can't believe that's changed. So he will know what's going on, and he'll be very proud of the achievements of the Cardinal Hume Centre today.